The following exercises are for general practice. They're designed to help you develop your sense of rhythm in the English language. Now, it may be enough for you just to listen and repeat after me, but you might also find it helpful to clap along. If you watched my pronunciation lesson 3 when I used children's rhymes to teach rhythm, I clapped along. So if you want, clap. It will help you find the rhythm. Do whatever helps you feel the rhythm. You can clap, you can snap, you can tap your feet. If it helps you feel the rhythm, do it while you practice.
Exercise 7. How can you learn to read long sentences smoothly and with natural rhythm? Answer: break the sentence into phrases and read the phrases in reverse order. Example: this is a long sentence, so what you might do is break it into thought groups and then practice reading the last thought group, the one before that, and then the one before that. Finally, you'll read the entire sentence smoothly from beginning to end. Let's practice doing that together. Here are 3 main thought groups. Now let's read them in reverse order. And the beads on her dress. Say it several times if you need to. And the beads on her dress. And the beads on her dress. Let's move on. Match the roses in her arms. Say that thought group a couple times before putting the 2 thought groups together. Match the roses in her arms. Match the roses in her arms. Now let's put the 2 thought groups together. Match the roses in her arms and the beads on her dress. Let's try that one more time. Match the roses in her arms and the beads on her dress. Now we'll practice the very first thought group in the sentence. The rose and beads in Jennifer's hair. Say it a couple times, just that first thought group. The rose and beads in Jennifer's hair. The rose and beads in Jennifer's hair. Now we're going to say all 3 thought groups. The rose and beads in Jennifer's hair matched the roses in her arms and the beads on her dress. Good. Let's go on. Exercise 8. Listen and repeat. Now in this exercise, instead of breaking a long sentence into thought groups and going reverse order, we're going to take a simple sentence and expand it. It will get fuller and fuller. I'm going to exaggerate the rhythm so that you can clearly hear it. I'll say each statement 2 times and then you'll repeat after me. Let's begin. Clients get haircuts. Clients get haircuts. Clients will get haircuts. Clients will get haircuts. His clients will get haircuts. His clients will get haircuts. His clients will get good haircuts. His clients will get good haircuts. All of his clients will get good haircuts. All of his clients will get good haircuts. Let's say that final statement one last time, but try looking away from the screen. Imagine you're talking to one of your friends, and you simply want to say, all of his clients will get good haircuts. Does the sentence come out smoothly and naturally? Good. Let's go on.
Our final exercise is more conversational in nature. It reminds you that there's a connection between oral reading and free speech. All of the oral reading that we've been doing in previous exercises is eventually going to help you become more natural in conversation. You'll start to transfer all of these rhythmic patterns into your own free speech, and as a result, you'll sound more natural.
Exercise 9. Listen to the question. Choose an answer and read the complete response. Stress all words in bold. Example. Did you get your hair cut? You can either respond, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. One. How often do you get your hair cut? Your response was one of the following: almost every week, at least once a month, about every few months. I don't cut it very often. Two. Where do you get your hair cut? Your response was one of the following: I always go to the same stylist. I go wherever it's convenient. I have my hair cut at home. 3. Have you always had the same hairstyle? Your response was one of the following: yeah, I've worn it the same way for many years. Not always. I had a different style when I was younger. No, I change my hairstyle quite often. Exercise 10. Complete these steps on your own. 1. Read the following questions. Record your answers. You should speak for 15 to 20 seconds. Here are the 2 questions. How much does a haircut cost in your city or town? Name the lowest, average, and highest prices. How much do you usually pay for a haircut? Step 2. Listen to your recording. Write down your exact words. Apply what you've learned about rhythm. Mark the thought groups and stressed words. Step 3. Listen again and see if your speech matches the rhythmic patterns you marked on paper. Step 4. Record your answers again, making the necessary corrections for more natural rhythm. And the final step? Listen to your second recording. Is there improvement?
That's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy studies. Thank you, Veronica.